So I've got my SUV air mattress here. Before I get into actually how we're going to inflate this and what it looks like, let me go ahead and show you what it does come with. So what I like, it does come with a couple of pillows here that you can go ahead and inflate. Material just seems to be nice and thick. We've got a good air valve here. And then on the back side here, it's got almost like some velvet material. We've got several tips right here to go ahead and connect to our air pump here. Now the air pump does connect to a cigarette lighter, so 12-volt source is what you need. And of course, you besides just inflating your air mattress, it's going to be able to inflate really any inflatable that you can go ahead and put the tip in with. Also, it comes with a storage bag to put everything away, a smaller bag to go ahead and put your air pump into, and then it also comes with a little patch kit. So I've got my air mattress spread out in the back of my SUV. Now I do have a Honda Passport and it fits in here just fine. This is a really good size air mattress. The material is really nice and thick. On the top here, it's just like the pillows. It's just that real soft material up here. And I've got my air pump itself. Now this pump, super easy to operate. Got on and off. We've got inflate outlet right here. On the top, it does say inflate. And when you're ready to deflate, you just connect the air mattress or whatever you're trying to deflate up to the bottom here and just going to use the correct tip. I'm going to go ahead and put my tip on here. I need this middle one that I've used. I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in to my outlet that I have here. I'm going to connect this to the air mattress and turn it on. Now I just filled up this one section here. If you'll notice, this mattress has multiple air valves. We've got 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. So we've got this small sections. You can just air up what you need to. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up and air up the rest of the 5. So I've got it all aired up. I mean, it was real easy to do. And one good thing about it is that depending on where your wheels are in the back of your vehicle, the fender wells, it has these little sections here that are going to lift up. Because of course every SUV is just a little bit different. So it's almost like it's customizable, cut out for it. And it's just really, it's nice and long. I could easily lay on there. And whether you're going to go camping or you're doing some overnight trips and you just want a place to lay down, I mean, this is a perfect way to do that. So I thought I'd go ahead and just jump back here, just give you an idea of how long this is. I'm right around 5'10", and this is the perfect size. If you just put some nice blankets on here, use your pillows back up here, I mean, it's almost like you're at home. This is fantastic whether you're going to go out maybe camping, maybe you're having to do an overnight trip and you just need to sleep for a few hours. This is a perfect way to do this. And then when I'm all done with it, open up the air valves, I'll go ahead and deflate it and put it away, and it's ready for next time. Hope you found this review helpful.